I did, because I don't remember anything for like 24 hours.
I'm still passing level 310.
Until 310, okay. I fly 102.
Glasses, contacts.
Wow,
And
yes,
so-
you learned a lot. I know, I was about to convert it to, I think, 825.
Especially
East.
about you.
You want to do a cross start? No?
You want to?
One is 127, refusal, and rotate at 144. Aircraft unsafe to flight. Call reject. The pilot aboard by brakes smash on the throttle.
So about 30 minutes before crew shows up.
Yeah, but I'm not done. So I gotta do this. It's windy in here.
On this. Don't use all the oxygen.
Good. Good.
I'll put your phone in the bag, by the way.
Thank you.
The dumb out with jump shocks.
What?
Dope. It's a cool job.
Yeah, a friend of mine, he did it. It just happened, so we can give it a second.
I'm not twisting any arms, but I do. This is not Dhafra or. Yeah, turn it on.
That's what I was about to ask you.
No, when I take off, I face back. Where they at? No, I mean, it should. We didn't bring it up.
Still like super intense. And we're just like,
You guys downloading off the Iron Key? Here it's right now. Okay, cool. Scroll down to the bottom.
It happens.
That's all the same stuff as yesterday, right?
Sorry.
In this bathroom, like, the worst thing to change.
Did you go in there?
I had to.
Right, everybody's on pins and needles, huh?
Alright, we're ready to start.
Checks. Rotate.
Sultan Tower, Whisper 55, pulling short on the 1. Be by right.
Rotate.
Positive plans, you're up.
Gears coming up.
55 departure.
Sorry, set. Pull it out.
Push out 55, contact departure.
Switch to departure, Whisper 55. Set. 400 feet, right hand turn.
hello, 030.
Thank you.
Departure, Whistler 55, passing 2.5 for 13,000.
Yeah, still on tower, sir.
What was that?
Copy with that?
Whistler 55, passing 2.9 for 13,000.
Keep coming right to 030.
Roger.
Full estimate time for arrival. Estimate time for arrival, inshallah, will be Alpha. Expect further route with the next control.
Okay, so we're 11.
1055, stable ready.
Alright, moving forward.
Down watch.
On aft. Feet. Knees. Closure rate. Back out.
55. Power's in.
9-0. I hope not. Slowing. Might get some fire. There's C5 on it for a wing.
The highway tactical.
At flight level 210, record.
23.
But you saved it. That was fine.
Right,